restrain the Nigeria Police Force from enforcing the tinted glass permit policy. At no point. What we have out there is people misinterpreting that last court paper that came out. That injunction talked about maintaining status quo. I don't want to go into technicalities, but it talked about maintaining status quo. As at the time that order was given, the status quo as at then was enforcement, not pre-enforcement. Enforcement was ongoing, and the court said maintain status quo. In fact, the court said it specifically that the request, the prayer of that lawyer that came to court seeking that it should be stopped would not be granted yet. It's stated there, the document is out there. So the status quo was to continue with the enforcement, which was already on ground. But we had a meeting with NBA where the IGP decided to toe the path of care, the path of listening and being concerned, and he gave that directive that the tinted glass permit policy be suspended. So that suspension was not based on any court order. It was based on the Nigeria Police Force being responsible and being responsive to the yearnings of the people, being responsive to the appeal by the NBA. So, and when we announced that suspension, there was no time frame to it. At no point did we say it would be from so time, so time. We just gave it time then. In fact, we're hoping that the court case would have reached a logical conclusion so that we'd know where to go. If you remember that statement, we said it's being suspended to give Nigerians room to regularize their documentation and to also await the outcome of the court. But something has been happening. The court case has been dragging. And in that period, people now, criminal elements now confidently use these tinted vehicles to perpetrate crime. You might not know, we know because we gather information, we gather intelligence, and we maintain crime statistics. So